Good morning. Here we are in Scottsdale, Arizona this morning. Bright and early, getting up and getting the block unloaded, and going to do another ICF build. We're going to do 2 courses high today and tomorrow, and then we're going to pour it. Continue on up to plate height in a couple weeks after they get the plumbing and the slab done. Quite a job site, about an 8,000 square foot house. We got guys over there laying out the perimeter of the house. All of our footers are in, the rebar is all stacked out for us, ready to go. Owners have got quite a view. And we'll keep checking back in on this job site. Thank you.